Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to create a profile backlink on Trello, or at least the closest thing you can actually do. So spoiler, Trello doesn't actually let you add a clickable link directly on your profile, but I've got some clever workarounds that are going to help you get your link out there. So first off, if you head over to your profile in Trello, you'll then be able to see that there isn't a field for a website or URL link, but you can update things like your name, job title, organization, location, and email visibility. So there's literally no room for a direct link. But don't worry, you can still get your link in front of other Trello users, and I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's go ahead and discuss the easiest ways to do this. So the first one is in card descriptions or comments. So simply add your URL in a card's description or drop it in a comment. Anyone who sees the card can click on it directly. So another way is to simply add it in your board description. So each board literally has a description section where you can paste a link. So this works really well if the board is public or shared with a team. And lastly, you can also add it as a card attachment. So you can literally attach a URL to any card, which is also clickable for anyone who opens the card. So while Trello doesn't support a traditional profile backlink, these methods still let you share your website, portfolio, or social profile wherever it counts. And that's really it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.